Philip, thank you very much for joining us this morning. I'll hand over to you to kick off the call.
Fantastic. So thank you, Thomas, very much for the warm welcome. Thanks to yourself from Knowledge Point, thanks to WorldSkills International, and thanks for the African Union and the African Union Development Agency for organizing this event and supporting this event, really. It is really our great pleasure to be part of this engagement and also to present out what the future of manufacturing could be and hold for you in that regards. We, as Autodesk, truly believe that skills are the future, and we're really excited for this event to take place and sharing these great opportunities. So one thing, first of all, I really want to share with you is that Autodesk software is free for educational use. So Autodesk, in case you're interested to use Autodesk products in your curriculum and your teaching, once you're a student, educator, or educational institution, you can use Autodesk products for free. And you can go on the website studentsautodesc.com and directly get access to this. There is currently a verification model where you have to verify that you're an educator, student, or educational institutions, and then you can access the software right there. Our main focus here is Fusion 360, but you can also access all the other products from Autodesk via that website. One thing which is really important whilst we talk about Fusion 360, and you will hear more about Fusion 360 throughout the day and what the opportunities behind it, is that Fusion 360 runs really on any operating system. So on Windows, Mac OS, and there's also a cloud access, and you can access data through your mobile devices. So it really reduces the costs for hardware because you don't need large installation files, and you can really use whatever kind of operating system you are interested in. In regards to Autodesk, and we are putting together our strategy, or our vision is really broken down into three different buckets. So one is the learn bucket, the second one is assess, and the third one is apply. And I'll go into detail what that means really. In regards to learn, we have a ton of learning materials available for you, which you can use in your curriculum today. This, what you see here, covers really the whole spectrum of mechanical engineering from A to C, and it's roughly 160 hours of free learning resources, which you can access today from Autodesk. And the second thing as well is that we have here today this Educator Summer Skill Camp. This is the free offering you're seeing, and then also the after this event there will be an opportunity for hands-on training as well, which will be announced later. Additionally, we have also the assess bucket, which is industry certifications. So we in Autodesk, we really want to support learners and educators to build their skills. And what we really have is a variety of certifications, which you can basically go online and take any of those at this point. Thomas, Carsten, and Knowledge Point are here to support with the Autodesk partners in case this is of interest. But one thing which is really important to know is that we have at the different levels, at the different needs you have, certifications which are offered here. There is a cost to those certifications, but I think it's a great opportunity for building the skills of students and educators. The one thing which is also important, obviously, as I mentioned, we have the Autodesk certifications which are focused on Fusion, but also we offer certifications for all other products of Autodesk. And then when we say basically we have the free access for the software, we have the learn element where we have the free learning content. We have the assess bucket, the certifications, and then we also have a partnership with WorldSkills. As mentioned by Thomas, Autodesk is a global industry partner of WorldSkills, and since over 15 years now, and we are highly committed to our partnership with WorldSkills. As everyone knows of you, and we'll talk about this later as well, is that WorldSkills is currently in 85 plus countries and covers really 100 million students worldwide. And 70 plus skills are currently at Showcase. When we talk about Autodesk, is that we as Autodesk are within 3 categories really. So it's the manufacturing and engineering technology category in World Skills, the construction and building technology, and creative arts and fashion category. And these are the competitions which are sponsored by Autodesk. So the ones which are sponsored are within the buckets, and the ones where Autodesk software is used are with outside of the buckets. But what you see here as well is also one of the reasons why we're talking about Fusion 360 today, is that as of today, within all of those skill competitions where you see the Fusion 360 logo, you can use Fusion 360 today. And that speaks really to our platform approach and platform thinking of Fusion 360, that one software can be used throughout many different competitions. And talking to the point of platform is, when we talk about Fusion 360, it's really not a software, it's a combination of lots of different functionalities which are used within the manufacturing space. So if you're if you're teaching within design and manufacturing today, I think the opportunity with Fusion 360 is that within one tool, you can really address many different workflows, and you can show your students how a manufacturing process in the different areas can be executed. So again, as I said, we have the learning materials, we have the summer school, which is taking place today, or the skill camp, which is taking place today. Then we have the Autodesk training, which is an offering after this event. Then we have the certifications, and also in World Skills where you can apply your knowledge. So with this, I want to thank you very much for your time listening to me, and I wish you all the best for the next 2 days then.